Alright guys, back to work. Man, my boy pulled up on me. Car was looking real good, so that just motivated me to get back to work on mine. So we're gonna get ready to get the inside of this door, inside of this trunk done. We'll get all this knocked out, we'll get all this cleaned up. If y'all missed the other video, let me show y'all. So the trunk is done. And also guys, if y'all like car content and stuff like that, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright, now we got that out the way. I already started on this a little bit, so I'm gonna get all this cleaned out. And happy Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day. It's a lot of mothers out there. So happy Mother's Day. Y'all drop down in the comments. Let us know what y'all doing. But I'm working, guys. So this area really ain't that bad. But we're gonna have to put some rust treatment in there and get all that going. So this area really ain't that bad. This area, pretty bad. So I started on it. I wasn't gonna even record this, but it's part of the process, guys. So I'm trying to show y'all everything and how much work goes into building these cars. This started out as a budget build. It's way past budget. I don't even know. I quit counting at $12,000, I think. I just quit counting. I was like, well, ain't no budget bill no more. But it's all good. We can always sell the car or whatever. They can go back and see how much work we put into it and really see, you know, what they're getting. But we'll get this out. We'll get the grinder. We'll get all this edges cleaned up. This all gotta be cleaned up and scuffed, because on the way that hood is shaped, you're gonna be able to see this when you pop the hood open. So all of this gotta be done. I need to take these lights out. I don't know why I left them in here so long, but I need to take them out. Door jams are done, complete. Trunk's done. I think all we got left is the hood, like the inside of the hood. We're doing pretty good, guys. Let me turn my music on and then we'll speed this process up. guys, this took longer than I thought. So what I'm gonna do, I got it cleaned out pretty good with the wire wheel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put rust treatment. We'll treat this overnight. Well, first I'm gonna suck all this up with the vacuum, but we'll treat it overnight, guys, and then we'll get back to it tomorrow. Back to work. Tomorrow's Monday, so we'll get it going. Yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video.